The cryptocurrency world is constantly navigating a high-stakes environment where innovation meets regulation. But what does it actually mean for a major exchange like Kraken to engage in a formal, ongoing dialogue with global regulators, and why should investors pay attention? It's more than just following the rules, it's about setting them. Kraken's leadership sees this regulatory dialogue as a critical opportunity to push for clear, common-sense frameworks that don't stifle innovation. They argue that clarity is the foundation upon which the next wave of crypto products, like tokenized assets, can launch safely and legally. A key part of Kraken's approach is to advocate for a risk-based, tech-forward compliance system. This means building internal controls, like those for sanctions compliance and anti-money laundering, that are robust, scalable, and use sophisticated tools like AI for real-time risk detection. Their investment in a strong internal compliance infrastructure, led by their chief compliance officer, demonstrates their commitment to being a responsible leader in the space. Kraken's leaders often speak at regulatory roundtables, emphasizing that without clear rules of the road, valuable innovation will simply move offshore. They push for a system that recognizes the unique, 24/7 nature of crypto markets and offers innovation exemptions or safe harbors with guardrails. This allows responsible firms to experiment and gather the data regulators need to create effective, tailored rules. For example, when discussing market structure, Kraken has suggested that agencies like the SEC and CFTC should have clear, complementary roles, the SEC overseeing token financing, and the CFTC regulating centralized intermediaries and token listing. This focus on joint jurisdiction and broad, predictable standards is their attempt to move past the current, often slow and product-by-product, regulatory approach. In essence, Kraken's leadership is trying to build a bridge. They aim to take the foundational principles of a secure financial system, like transparent valuation, segregated custody, and strong risk management, and apply them to the new, decentralized world of digital assets. They see proactive, transparent engagement with governments and agencies not as an obligation, but as a strategic advantage to accelerate the global adoption of crypto and protect their clients. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.